Hello YouTube, thank you for watching my video. Today is a bit hazy, but we decided to go to Miyajima and we're hoping we get some autumn colors.
For 3 years, since 2019, the famous Miyajima Otori Gate has been under repair and covered in scaffolding. But with the repairs now complete, the beautiful gate is once again on display. On arriving at Itsukushima Island, we headed towards an area on the left side of the Itsukushima Shrine.
We're going on to the construction bridge. The construction bridge is going to be there until December, and I hope we get very magnificent views of the Torii Gate.
A film crew was already there to capture the unique activity. I joined the queue and patiently waited for the barriers to be removed. The main pillars of the Otori were damaged over many years by seawater and termites. During the restoration, they were strengthened with stainless steel bands. The whole gate was then repainted. The steps involved in the repair were shown on some large boards. Finally, the entrance was cleared and we could walk along the scaffold bridge to the gate. I have walked through the gate before when the tide was low. This may be the only time I ever get to walk around the Otori on a raised platform though. The current gate was rebuilt in 1875 and is the 9th one to stand on the site. At 16 meters tall and 24 meters wide, this is one of the largest wooden torii in Japan. The wooden pillars look huge when you walk so close to them. I think they must be very heavy too. To avoid congestion, the route only allowed us to make one complete circuit of the gate. I could understand why as it got even busier just a few moments later.
The Torii Gate's pillars were much thicker than I thought.
Many people were also making the most of the low tide to walk close to Itsukushima Shrine. But we decided to head into the mountains and follow the signs for the ropeway. The sign advised it should take about 10 minutes to reach the ropeway station. It took us much longer than that though, mostly because the autumn trees look so pretty, so we kept stopping on the way. Lots of other people were also enjoying the peaceful surroundings. I handed over my ropeway ticket and climbed into a small cable car to travel up the mountain. We first had to wait for the lights to turn green, and our car then suddenly pulled away. As we climbed higher, I got a magnificent view of the beautiful autumn leaves on the trees. Two of my favorite times to visit Miyajima are the cherry blossom season in March and autumn when the leaves change color. It was a very clear day and I could already see a long way across the Seto Inland Sea.
2つの未宣言市民は1996年厳島神社とともに世界遺産に登録されました。
The view was even better once we exited the cable car. There were so many small islands scattered across the landscape. This wasn't the highest point of the mountain though. We had to finish our climb on foot.
Do not underestimate the climb from the ropeway to the top of the mountain.
It was very peaceful at the top of Mount Misen. I was rewarded with a beautiful view across the water. It was so clear, I could see all the way to Hatsukaichi on the other side. I really enjoyed my day out at Miyajima.
If you like this video, please subscribe down below.